Hello, and welcome to the Introduction to Excel VBA for Civil Engineers, a course by Civil Engineering Spreadsheets. And in this video, I will give you a brief introduction to VBA. Now let's get started. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. You can use VBA to automate tasks, such as in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, STAAD Pro, eTabs, AutoCAD, and even performing engineering calculations in Excel. It's like having a secret superpower for your spreadsheets. So what can we do with VBA? VBA allows users to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks in Excel. For civil engineers, maybe you want to calculate the neutral axis of a rectangular beam with various loadings, generate engineering drawings, and structural details for reinforced concrete structures. Steel trusses, and wind load calculations. You can also create custom functions, macros, and classes, which you will learn in this course. So, we're now ready to set up Excel for VBA development. See you in the next lesson.